The muse has left and the talented musicians are in creative crisis. Nothing calms one down and fills with inspiration better than fresh air, watching nature and of course the ethnicity. The light sound of the acoustic guitar playing along with the ancient Kazakh musical instruments fills up the souls of the musicians and inspire them for the creation of new melodies and compositions. Today Johnny Gaz and Serik Nurvaldayev are setting off for a music trip to the pearl of Kazakhstan, the Borovoi Resort. Once upon a time, there lived two brothers. They loved hunting. One day, two brothers decide to hunt for a saiga. When they come to the spot, one of the brothers says to the other, "You go ahead, walk around the herd and chase the animals towards me." After discussion, the younger brother starts to chase out the saiga, but it suddenly starts to snow and a snowstorm picks up. Having lost each other in the white storm, they wander around for a long time. Later on, the storm stops, and the elder brother notices a saiga silhouette on the horizon. His sharp shot kills the animal. When he gets closer, the hunter sees he has shot his brother, not the animal. Heartbroken, he takes his dombra, and the quiet steppe gets stricken by the sounds of kuy, boken, jargak. Since then, the hunters' kuys have won their place in the world of music.
Hi everybody, I'm Johnny Gaz, musician, composer and experimentist. I'm here at Borovoi with my dear friend Serik.
Hello everyone, my name is Serik. I'm a member of the folklore and ethnographic ensemble Turan. And today Johnny and I came to Borovoi in search for inspiration.
Serik, let's go.
Let's go. At the bottom of Kokshe, it's a mountain. You can see beautiful mountains here. There's a sacred place. A throne of the great Ablai Khan.
Oh, interesting place.
Let's go see.
It's one of the most beautiful places I've seen.
This is the place where Ablai Khan was set on a white wool on this rock throne and announced to be the great Khan of the great Kazakh Khanate.
This is throne.
Yes, it's a throne. The throne of Ablai Khan.
Oh, it's slippery here.
That's why it's sacred. Well, Johnny, of course I would like to show you another very interesting ancient Kazakh musical instrument called kerney.
Kerney.
Kerney, yes. This instrument is interesting as it was used to signal the start of celebrations, to call in people, and it was also used to indicate the start of a battle in war. And now we are standing in a place where Ablai Khan was announced a great Khan. I want to show you what it sounds like.
One day in the year the folks came a time remembered well, when the strong young men of the rising sun and the tolling of the big black bell. One day in the year of the folks when the bells began to sing, and the time had come for the one to go to the temple of the king. And there in the middle of the people he cries, seeing, feeling, with just one touch of his trembling hand, the answer will be found. And daylight waits when the old man says, "Heaven, help me." And all could see by the shine in his eyes, the answer has been found in the temple of the King.
Good job.
It's worked. Well,
Very beautiful.
but, you know, when I was singing the song, I pictured something in my head. Like, this is Ablai Khan here, sitting there. And you're his prince, you know? And you're calling everybody.
Could you feel it?
Yeah.
Khan. Let's get going.
Now let's carry on.
A very beautiful place. And I want to show you a lot of interesting things.
Forest of pine trees. This is truly beautiful. Amazing.
Happiness takes no account of time, just like that.
What is this?
Happiness takes no account of
Happy
time.
hours.
Look how fast it goes.
And this is some serious way of keeping time.
And behind you is a stela that was raised in 1991 to commemorate 280 years since Ablai Khan was born. Beautiful.
God.
And so is the golden eagle, the symbol of independence.
The symbol of independence. Beautiful.
Shall we improvise?
Oh yes, let me hear you.
A
An A?
major.
To independence.
Let me think of something that's independent.
Will you sing?
Fly like an eagle in the big blue sky. Hey, don't worry, don't ask why. I'm free, 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 free at last. In the sunshine, I saw in the sky on the wings of love, and I see you dancing to the rhythm of love. Hey, 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 hey. I see you dancing to the rhythm of love. See you dancing to the rhythm of love. To the rhythm of love. To the rhythm of love. Yeah, another song.
Yes, an interesting song.
Yes,
Did you notice when we were here just playing now?
wonderful.
It's like the nature was listening to us.
I think I felt that. Yeah,
And now it's windy again.
that's right. That's right. It just stopped for a little while.
Now I will show you even a more beautiful place. Let's pack up and get going.
Okay, let's go ahead. right, let's get back.
Now I would like to show you the two main local landmarks of Baravoy Resort.
Этой местности.
Those are two rock hills, Okjetpes and Jumbaktas.
What? Oh,
Okjetpes and Jumbaktas. Okjetpes. Your arrow won't reach it. That's the meaning.
Okay, you mean my arrow won't reach that?
Here it is, Johnny. The famous rock of Okjetpes.
Okjetpes. Okjetpes.
Okjetpes.
Okjetpes.
There's a very beautiful legend about it.
This is Mount Okjetpes. So if you shoot an arrow right onto the top,
Yes,
they'll find you. They'll find you a bride, a girl that you're going to marry. Yes?
could you do that? To the peak,
Получается.
Onto the peak.
over there.
No, it's not. I don't think it's quite possible.
And this is very interesting. Look how trees are growing on the rocks. Very beautiful.
Exactly. It's on the rock.
Yes.
Pine growing on the rock.
Кстати,
By the way, I forgot. I brought to you another musical instrument,
Yes.
so I could show you. Have you ever heard about salsera? Salsera.
Salsera? No.
Haven't heard yet?
Tell me.
There are many of them in this area. Salsera.
Salsera.
Salsera are the artists on tours, just like us.
Okay.
Those people are... People love them.
I see.
They could sing, compose, they were poets, the singers, and of course they could play cues. They were acrobats and circus artists. They could perform different magic tricks. They traveled from village to village.
All-round showman.
They showed, giving their art. Showmen, yes.
Traveling showman.
Yes. Besides that, they were excellent hunters.
шикарными искусными охотниками.
Today I brought to you a hunter's instrument.
Wow.
This is a real horn of mountain goat, or teke.
Wow.
It was used during the hunt. Let me show you how it sounds. People call it Miyus-Surnai or Bogashak.
Bogoshak or Mr.
Yes, Miyus-Surnai. Miyus is the horn. Let's try to make something of hunters.
The arrow,
Без.
the bride, and hunting. There's one song that comes to my mind. That's how it goes. There's so many songs written, and after all this, I'm going to write my own songs. I mean, own lyrics on all this kind of all this history we're going through. They say don't go to Wolverton Mountain if you're looking for a wife, 'cause Clifton Clarence got pretty young daughters. He's mighty handy with a gun and a knife. Her tender lips are sweeter than honey, and Wolverton Mountain protects her there. The bears and birds tell Clifton Clarence if a stranger should wander there, just say don't go to Wolverton Mountains if you're looking for a wife. Say don't go to Wolverton Mountains if you're looking for a wife. It's a hunter song.
Very beautiful song.
When you go hunting for a wife, but then her father is very handy with a gun and a knife.
Well, here it is, Jumbaktas.
There's Jumbaktas.
Очень
Very mysterious rock.
загадочное слово.
I would say it's mystical.
Мистическое.
Who does it look like from here?
Такого папарацци.
Does it look like someone?
Напоминает?
Even the faces.
Да.
Yes, you can see a face. And from this side it might look like some old woman. From that side it's like a young lady.
Oh, I see.
And from up front it looks like Sphinx.
Exactly. That's what it reminds me of. The Sphinx. That's right. Like the Sphinx, man.
There is a very interesting legend about it. In the old times there lived one rich man. He had many sons, but his main pride was his only beautiful daughter. Only rich and famous men asked for her hand, but a poor poet and singer was ahead of them. The singer had an amazingly beautiful voice. He played the dombra really well, and he was also very handsome. The rich man's daughter fell in love with him at first sight, and for the poor singer she became more dear than life itself. And understanding that her father will not agree for her marriage, the young couple decided to run away. But her brothers found them when the singer with his loved one were in a boat enjoying the quiet water of Lake Brabai. The cruel brothers sent their arrows and hit the young sister's heart. The girl raised her hands to the declining sun and asked it to turn her into stone. That's how the Jumbaktas rock appeared on the lake.
So open up the gates of the church and let me out of here. Too many people have lied in the name of Christ for anyone to hear the call. Too many people never died in the name of Christ. I can't believe it all. I'm standing the bravest old soldier that died in 1799. On the day he died was his birthday, and I noticed it was mine. And my head didn't know just where I was spinning by the time. And I am high upon the altar, high, 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 upon the altar, high, high. Beautiful. And I thought it sounded so beautiful with the flute.
Yes, a guitar with sabazga sounds beautiful. Thank you, Johnny.
Thank you, my dear Serik.
Johnny, today we came to the Akvala Regional Philharmonia, named after Ukale Uberai, and I would like to introduce you to my friend Sarsenbai. Johnny, all songs in our Kha tradition are the songs about love, about nature, about motherland. He would like to sing a song of Sakien Seifulin. He dedicated this song that Sarsenbai will sing now to the places where we've been today.
Fantastic, let's listen.
Арқаның кербес солу көкшетауы, дамылсыз солу бетін жуған жауан. Жан-жақтан ертелегеш бұлттар келіп, кетеді біліп қайтып есен сауын, есен сауын. Көкпеңбек қоз басынан мұнар кетпес, басына атсаңдағы оғың жетпес. Бір жұтсаң Көкшетаудың жопар исін, өлгенше көкірегіңнен құмар кетпес, құмар кетпес. Хай лила лиллай, лилла лиллай, өлгенше көкірегіңнен құмар кетпес, құмар кетпес.
Bravo, very good.
Осындай енді.
This is lovely, this is beautiful music, it's true music, and you must take it to the next generation after you.
Джонни, добро пожаловать.
Johnny, welcome to this cozy place.
Такое местечко.
And I keep introducing the Kazakh cuisine to you. Today, one of the main meals, the main spring meals for Kazakh table is, as you can see, Nauruz Koje in front of you.
Some kind of soup.
Yes, it's like soup.
Здесь, смотри, здесь
But here the Kazakhs have 7 main ingredients. It's water, salt, flour, grain, curd, meat and milk. Ayran is sometimes used instead of milk.
And meat also. But meat has to be there. Meat has to be there.
Well, as you see, there's meat in it also, but at the same time, a lot of ingredients. Each family makes it by a unique recipe, adding lots of things on top. So it gets very good and unique for every family. What's most interesting is that each ingredient is a symbol.
It's a very symbolic meal.
Yeah, it's symbolic.
It symbolizes, every ingredient symbolizes something like riches, health,
Health, right.
and
Try it.
I mean plenty.
One of my most favorite meals.
You like this?
Yes, very much.
You actually like this stuff? That's nice, that's nice.
Of course, with Bağırsak it will be even better.
Hold on, do this.
Of course.
Can you do that?
Of course you can.
To the soup.
You have added the 8th ingredient, Bağırsak. What symbol is this?
I did it and you got inspired.
Ah, I got it. As I walk around here, looking at the animals and remember the song of Salseri, Akan Seri to be exact.
What was that? Askere?
It's called Manmangir.
Mangir.
Let me sing it for you. Play it.
All right.
Let me get my musical instrument.
Let me hold it for you.
Жалынмайда жүрек жоқ сенен озған қонантайда жүрісің желмаядай жануарым көрейін қызығыңды осындайда маң-маңгер кекілің келте жалыңмайда жүрісің желмаядай қонантайда.
That's a beautiful song. It's very famous in Kazakhstan.
What's it called? What is this called?
Manmangir.
Malma?
Manmangir. Akan Seri dedicated it to his tulpa. His name is Manmangir.
Okay, and once more, what is tulpar? What is tulpar?
It's a horse, his friend. Hello, my dear friends. Kazakhstan is so diverse. Today I have been to an amazing and unforgettable place. Baravoy really shocked me. Ancient legends, beautiful nature and fresh air. Music is coming out by itself here. All you need to do is just take a musical instrument.
Won't you come on in? Miracles, I guess, still happens now and then. Step into my heart, leave your cares behind. Welcome to my world. to my world. Welcome to my world.